The last meal I would like to show for today is called Çiğ Köfte, which translates into raw patty. In one of the food outlets in the city center, a cook by the name of Ali Usta is attracting lots of attention. Ali Usta, aka Mad Cook, has a special place in my adventure. Videos with this man has millions of views on YouTube. He can easily yell at you, mess up your clothes with food, and even beat you up. Anyways, the man is a master showman. He makes you laugh like crazy.
Oğlum nasıl yiyeceksin lan? Nasıl yiyeceksin ya bana ya? Oğlum sopa borusu gibi ol.
Kavga ediyorum.
Şöyle takip et beni baba. Gel bakayım. Sen birinin verdiği kapıdan git hadi. Yürü lan buradan. Yürü. Hayvan Allah. Sana ne? Niye kıskanıyorsun adamı? Sana ne oluyor kardeşim?
Now I'm approaching that dangerous, tough-looking cook in Turkey. I can see him already.
Hadi abi kolay gelsin.
Spicy, not spicy, not spicy. Pomegranate or salad? Salad. Pomegranate, lemonade. Open up, open up. There you go. Thank you. A very cool and interesting man. Speaks a bit of Russian. You saw the way he cooked, throwing stuff here and there. Ready, I'll give it a try. Let's see what it is. I don't really know. I don't really know how to describe it. It feels like wheat spiced up with some tomato sauce, lettuce in a wrap. Some like it. As for me, it's very unusual. It's not the food that the man himself that impressed me, that I would visit this place again, and I would highly recommend it. I'm lucky he didn't chase me with a stick to beat me up. By the way, I can feel the sweet sauce now. Oh, we're getting somewhere. But I wouldn't say I like it, strangely enough, because Turkish people love it. I assume you would want to know what this brown stuff is. So the traditional recipe is raw minced cow meat is mixed with tomato sauce and spices and intermixed and smashed for a long time until the whole friction process brings it to the last stage when it's ready. Nowadays, Çiğ Köfte from raw meat is banned. However, its vegetarian version is available for sale. Chopped onion with garlic mixed with tomato sauce along with bulgur that has been immersed in hot water for an hour. Normally, this type of food is prepared by men since it requires a bit of physical exertion and pressure. In goes pomegranate juice with hot pepper and oil. If you order Çiğ Köfte in a restaurant, it would look like that.